Hello riders and not. Today on the vlog, as you see, Sparrows on the ramp at House of Thunder, and we finally doing this. That's my bike, Sparrow, Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 83. 2016 registration with 45,000 miles on the clock that we did together. And today is a big day. Sparrow has a heart surgery, a stage 2 and 3 upgrade. And there is Tom and Dave. You've seen them in my vlogs before. I absolutely trust them to complete the procedure.
Right, now I'm going to lift the barrel off now, and then you'll see even more of the piston.
Yay, that's my piston!
Still warm.
My barrel. That's so exciting.
So small.
I found it extremely exciting and satisfying to watch my bike's engine disassembly. To see how does the parts that kept my bike running strong for that many miles looks. And actually, I was told it looks pretty good. I've got an S&S Hooligan kit that boosts the power from 83 to 1200cc. S&S claims up to 85 horsepower can be achieved with this big bore kit.
It was just a quick point. Are you filming now already?
Yes.
Okay. It was just a quick point that I was going to say. When we're unpacking these, when the piston comes in the cylinder, so if you look in here, see the piston's already come with the cylinder. That is a set that's been machined for exactly that piston. So it's important that they would stay exactly together as a set. We go and compare this to the other one. You'll see the difference.
So bigger piston, bigger bang,
There
more
we go.
power.
You can sort of see the difference there
Yeah.
in size.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah.
So cool. Bigger bang.
No more cutting short on Lewis Street. Keep your gold got many lives, but only one soul, and I intend to keep it under my switchblade feet. Come thunder. My heat's like an oven on crack. You can call me up in pieces. Stop my lung support. Drown me if you can. I don't get upset. Put me out, all way out.
Even your valves is all good as well, you know, everything's pretty good in there.
Brilliant. That's good news.
Yeah.
This one is like
That's, well, your exhaust one always seems to get dirty because that's the one that when it fires, you know,
Okay.
it's
so it's normal
so-
to have
yeah,
it
so- yeah.
like this.
also very important when you put your pistons in. There's a little arrow that has to point forward because these are shaped for each valve. The valves are different sizes. You've got a big one for exhaust and a smaller one.
So and there's an arrow on your piston just over here.
Which has to point forward.
Yeah.
That says forward there anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not always. Some of them will say different things on it.
Yeah.
So you've got to read the piston. Some of them have no markings at all. So it doesn't matter then.
Okay.
But it's what it's to do with is the cutout, the shape of these cutouts here for the valves. So they'll be machined a certain way.
Yeah, to fit the
to
valves.
match the valves, yeah.
Tempered target, so what's the frame? Speeding left, like feeling up my base. But I intend to stay wide open. You silly brain, enough of this sloping. I don't want to hear another stupid idea of yours. You can cut me up in pieces, stop my lung support. Drown me if you can. I don't get upset. Now put me out, oh way out. I don't wanna waste my food, but I wanna give you heart and soul, my heart and soul. No more rage. I don't wanna waste my food, but I wanna give you heart and soul, my heart and soul.
Two nice shiny pistons.
Look at this.
Your bike is now officially a 1200.
Officially.
Yep.
Whoop whoop! Let me put this on the tripod and show my audience how happy I am. My bike is officially 1200.
That's fun though.
S&S looks really good on that bike.
Big reveal.
Hi!
Proper baker's dream.
That's it. This is what we're.
You said you're watching my channel, so let's have you watching yourself on my channel. Want to introduce yourself?
My name's Tony.
Hi Tony, do you ride a motorcycle?
I do.
What do you ride?
I ride a Harley Davidson Softail Slim.
Tony
done.
makes custom seats.
Oh really?
Tony makes custom seats.
Do you have any examples here?
Don't have any here, but he makes custom leather work.
Spokes, tool rolls, side
Anything in
side
leather,
rag,
yeah.
anything leather really.
How people can find you?
I don't really advertise myself to be honest with you. But
If you want to get in touch with Tony, get in touch with me. I'll put
Okay,
you in touch with Tony.
yeah.
yeah.
He's very close knit, so you've
Very
got to be
close-knit.
recommended to him to get anything.
If you want a leather seat or something made by Tony, get in touch with me. I'll get in touch with
Yeah,
Tom,
okay.
and Tom will get in touch with Tony. It works that way.
Yeah.
So the sort of stuff you do, Tony, is
I do leather wallets.
really detailed
Oh,
leather
yeah, that's
work,
one of
isn't
mine.
it? It's
So you have a wallet.
That's one of the wallets I've done.
Oh, that's beautiful. No, we like your boots.
I like my boot. They're very comfortable. I call
Yeah.
them worker hugs.
You can engrave them in your craft.
zooming in on those boots.
You can engrave them.
Yeah, he hasn't done any leather work on them, has he?
Yeah, yeah, you can do leather work on them. You've changed.
I have changed.
Why?
I can't wear shorts and work boots on a bike.
Oh, you can't wear them in the video, you mean?
Yeah, exactly.
You want to shine on my channel.
Absolutely.
Let's show your tool roll. Look at the detail.
I thought he was going to say if you'd have known, you'd have put your eyeliner on.
No, only at weekends.
Yeah, that's what you carry here, eyeliner and lipstick. It looks a very good size for that. That's how you call psycho leathers.
Yeah, psycho leathers.
That's very beautifully done.
It's a little bit weathered at the moment, but
Oh, look at this. You're coming back with another outfit.
Different outfit, yeah.
Different outfit, yeah.
Another pair of gaskets.
Yeah, that's new head gaskets. They're a multi-layered gasket. They've got different layers on them.
Oh, okay.
So we're just doing a quick little check, just while it's apart. It's got some miles in it. We're just going to put a bit of brake cleaner in the top of the head here. Just make sure it's not disappearing too quick, which would indicate we would have a leaky valve. Spark plug in by hand, and then we're just going to put a bit of brake cleaner in here. Don't need a lot. There we go, no bubbles, no air coming through. Just roll it onto the other valve there. There we go. So, no leaks.
Brilliant.
A good little tip as well is when you're in your head bolts again is put a little squirt of oil inside the threads there, just keeps them lubricated. So next time round, if they need to come off, they come off easy. Right, another little thing I want to show you. They are colour coded, you know, there's different colours, but there's a difference in the length. If you set them out on a level surface, you'll see that one is slightly longer than the other, and that's always your exhaust one. It opens up to further, let the exhaust fumes out more, you know. If you put them in wrong way round, the engine won't run, so you have to go in that the exhaust one is always longer. I'll almost double check again. This is the longest one, so that's your exhaust. Which on the front cylinder is at the front of the engine. So that goes in there, and that one goes in there.
All is fair in love and war. You pull no brakes when you're riding to the core.
Okay, so there is a running in.
There is a running in
I
procedure.
can't go hooligan straight away.
No, it's the hooligan kit, but you got to you got to.
I have to be a good
Yeah.
girl for a little
You
bit.
can't be a hooligan straight away.
How many miles I have to do before I can become a hooligan?
Really 1,000, but 500 is when the running in kind of finishes. But they advise taking it easy up to 1,000.
Up to 1,000 miles.
Yeah. up to
Guys,
1,000
who live
miles.
far away from me, prepare, I'm coming. Slowly.
Yeah, you're going to be visiting
For a
everyone
cup of
now.
tea.
Finding any excuse to
And
ride.
any excuse to ride, yeah.
We're going to be using a heavier spring plate.
And the reason for that is?
Just with the increased power, we need more force holding the clutch on. And then we're going to use a Barnett extra plate clutch kit, which is going to give us a bit more grip for the new power.
Brilliant. Maybe I'll start finding my neutral.
Well, I can feel that things are getting hot. I wanna give you everything I've got. Oh, so let's go.
don't need it.
Like a jewelry.
Something for your garden. Spinning
I don't
around
have a
in the
garden,
wind.
I'll make like a jewelry.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Big necklace.
yeah.
Nice bling.
Or earring.
Yeah. Or bracelet.
Yeah, the bracelet would be cool.
Oh, right, yeah, I mean, you could make a bracelet if you cut some of it out
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
joined
you can,
it
yeah, cut
with,
it and join it.
with like a bit of chain or something.
That would look cool, look.
It would look cool. And you can say, yeah, that's 50,000 miles worth of
Yeah.
coolness.
I'm taking my spring plate off the couch because I think it looks really cool and thinking to make something of it. If you have any ideas, guys, drop it in the comments. Yeah, my new clutch is lighter. Ah!
Faster. Does it feel faster?
Yay!
Oh, good, yeah.
I can do wheelies now.
Well, maybe not until you run it in.
Yes. How pretty is that? I'm very excited about that because my filter I had for 3 years now and I got bored of it. And at the moment when I was choosing it at the dealership and it wasn't that big choice of filters and all of them were shiny and chrome and like fancy and big things that I'm not particularly like, so I'm very, very excited to have this by S&S. Just quite simple, but at the same time you can see it's like a real deal. Performance. They're making fast. I'm gonna be a hooligan.
So that is the main part of the filter there. That's the piece
That's
that
the main
everyone's
part.
going to get.
And it has a cover.
Yeah, it does have a cover.
Brilliant. So all the rain is not getting into my filter anymore. I was actually bedridden with my previous filter that is open. I was covering it in the rain all while washing the bike last year and I couldn't be bothered anymore. It worked perfectly, never failed. Don't recommend it to do it, still cover your filter.
So everyone gets the backing piece that you've got there with the S&S filter,
And then you
and
can
what you've
choose-
got there is the accessory cover, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
and so
you can
choose
customise
that.
your
Yeah,
filter
yeah.
for your own style. Very well packaged, isn't it? Do you want something to open it with?
No, it's alright. I'm gonna use my nails. Advantages of being a girl. Oh, look at this.
Well, I can feel that things are getting hot. I wanna give you everything I've got. Oh, so let's go. I'll show you heaven, and we can watch the world from above. And every time we're close together, you make me feel so fine. The way you say those magic words and look into my eyes, I get this burning feeling deep in my soul. When you hold me close, don't never let go. No.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm overexcited.
Super excited.
Are you too excited?
Yep.
You don't look excited. Yep.
I'm spinning out of control when we're moving to the rhythm of love.
Ready? we've got 60 mile an hour, haven't we?
Go and have a
Yeah,
look
60 miles an hour,
You have to go and have a look at Paul's farm.
3,500 RPMs.
Yes.
Don't rev a shit of it, please.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No wheelies,
No jumps.
Ride it like this. Though.
no jumps, no wheelies, no stoppies, avoid traffic, no extended idling,
But you can do a burnout though.
No high load.
no burnout because you can't do over 3,500 RPMs. And 60 miles per hour, a little burnout.
No, we run it in properly.